Tricia always has some great tips to make your yard work go a little easier. Here's one about gathering up leaves.
Well, Danny, it's true that there are lots of ways to gather up leaves, and of course trash bags work, but I've taken a medium-sized box. This is about 24 inches by about 18, cut off 3 of the flaps and left 1. And on the bottom I've put a tape that's kind of a reinforced tape to keep it shut. Now, this flap actually has 2 purposes. One is to haul it away, but look what this does. Even if I were by myself, I'd be able to put my foot on it and still be able to rake in the leaves. Now, if you use a larger box, I think that it could be a little bit problematical because it could be just a little bit too big to maneuver and might get out of shape over time. Another fun thing about the box is after you've used it, if you want to store it, you can just cut that tape and fold it flat and then just tape it again.
Yeah, this is pretty handy because if you have like a wheelbarrow and you put the leaves in there, many times you have to reach and take this right back out, so I could see where this could be real convenient.
Yeah, and you can see it's not very heavy at all.
I think it's light enough I could actually probably get it over my neighbor's fence there.
Danny, don't even think about it.